Here's the front door. There's the fence. Just, you can see one little picket sticking out the top of the fence. Some snow mountains out there from plowing. Well, I just woke up and it's still snowing outside for Blizzard Nemo, and I'm at our screen door, and you can see the snow is up all the way to the door handle. That's the bottom. That's actually kind of fitting. Look at that. The snow is that high. That's the hot tub. Wow. Unbelievable. The snow is all the way up to the door handle on the sliding door. Basically buried. And it's still snowing.